Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Be sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post. And for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I do my makeup on my day off at Sephora. Even on my days off, I still like to wear a little bit of something, whether it's me testing out a product or just playing with something new. And this is basically the look that I pretty much wear on either an everyday basis, for work, whatever the case is. It's a very nice natural spring makeup inspired look. And be sure to stay till the end of the video to see two different lippy options. I am of course wearing one of them now. What is it? You're just gonna have to watch till the end of the video to find out. That is the topic of today's video. And without further ado, this is how we do it on Putting Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. So we are starting off the tutorial how I always do with some sort of eyeshadow primer, and the one that I'm using here is from Too Faced to make sure all of the shadows don't move. Today I'm using the Tarte Flirt palette, and I'm setting the primer really quickly in with the shade Gaze, which is a similar shade to my skin tone. After that, I'm using the shade Playful, and this is just a nice mocha brown color to build up some definition in the crease. This look is not going to be too dark. It's literally just 1-2 colors and I'm done. So I'm just making sure everything is properly blended first and foremost. My main lid color is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Poly. I believe this is an ultra glitter, and you guys, I am obsessed. It is a beautiful glitter shadow with a little bit of a pink undertone. It is absolutely gorgeous, and that's exactly what I want for the spring. And I'm just going over that with my original blending brush just to make sure everything is blended. I am using the Lash Paradise mascara from Loreal. The clip I had is blurry, so I'm sorry I don't have a product shot for that, but it does give a really good amount of volume to my lashes. Moving right along to the face, I am using the Pearl Primer from Benefit, the professional line, and this is of course going to blur out and minimize appearance of my pores because I am going in with a very liquidy foundation. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. That is a mouthful. It is very liquidy, but I am applying a very small little amount of it. I'm not looking for an insane amount of full coverage. I do want my natural skin to show through, so I am just buffing this in with a Real Techniques brush. I can't talk today. I'm drinking my coffee, you guys, and I can't talk English. So even though we are doing very light makeup today, I still want to do color corrector under my eyes, and I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. It's their color corrector technically, and I'm just using the applicator that comes with it and then just blending it in with my fingers just to kind of help neutralize the darkness because spring, summer, winter, my dark circles are horrendous. You guys have seen me use this concealer 1,000 times, and it is none other than the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer, and I'm just blending this in with a little Real Techniques brush. I've been doing the dotting method lately, which I find does work a lot better so that nothing creases under my eyes, and it's just an all-around fantastic concealer. I'm using the new Becca Hydra-Mist powder. This powder, you guys, is like no other. It literally feels like my brush is damp. It is really, really cool. I would highly recommend this powder if you're looking for something new and different on the market. It's amazing. And I am just kind of pinching the brush a little bit and popping that under the eyes as well. I'm skipping the bronzer for today. Again, this is not a full beat type of makeup, but I still want a little bit of color on my cheeks. This is the Rockateur blush from Benefit. It's a really nice peachy pink color with a very subtle sheen undertone to it. I love this blush. And then for highlight, this is the Invisible Glow from Bare Minerals, a really super subtle highlight. And I don't want to glow to the gods today. We'll save that for another day. Definitely making sure that I am popping a little bit of mascara on my lower lash as well, skipping eyeliner on the bottom for today. And I'm just quickly speeding through my brows. I am using the brow definer from Anastasia in the shade dark brown. I really truly prefer this than the Brow Wiz, especially for my brows, especially for the tail area. So for lips, this is the first option. This is the nude option. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Praline, and I really love a good brown nude. Super long lasting and not drying whatsoever. I love a good nude, honestly. I feel like I don't really wear nude enough, but it's just so pretty. And then for pink, because even though the makeup is still very light, I still wanted to add a punch of color, and this is the Limecrime Velveteen Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Pink Velvet. What do you guys think? Vote for your favorite lippy down below in the comments. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what are some of your favorite everyday staple makeup items, whether it's skincare or makeup or hair care or even perfume. What are some of the products that you like to wear every day? Help me out, guys. I'm really trying to have you guys comment more in my videos. I feel like I'm all alone here. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I think that's all I have to say, other than I love you guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!